Hi, I'm Ruben with Structure Tech Home Inspections. If you've had us inspect your home or followed some of our home maintenance advice on social media, you've probably learned that to be a successful homeowner, you need to put in your hours. This means doing things like adding salt to your water softener, change the smoke and carbon monoxide alarm batteries, clean the air exchanger, grease the overhead doors, and several dozen other things that many homeowners don't always have time for. I've been in this business for over 20 years and I've never had a good company to recommend to take care of all of this stuff because they didn't exist until now. This all changed when I was introduced to Kura Home Maintenance.
Here at Kura Home, we do all of the important home maintenance for you. With our quarterly maintenance plan, our service techs show up clean dressed, on time, and we treat your home with the same respect that you would. We give you an initial property inspection to determine what needs to be maintained, and we create a customized maintenance plan for each home. Homeowners then have the opportunity to customize their maintenance plan, and we take care of everything for you.
To help complete the circle of home maintenance, we at Structure Tech have teamed up with Kura to perform annual property reviews during the winter months. These are abbreviated versions of home inspections, inspecting for things like plumbing leaks, proper functionality of sump pumps, gas appliances, and hidden problems in attics and crawl spaces.
Kura Home maintenance plans start at $199 per quarter. To schedule your initial home maintenance consultation, please visit us online at kurahome.com.